Welcome everybody. This is your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Reggae Boys. We're going to talk about the game that they have tomorrow at 7 versus Mexico. We're playing in the office in Jamaica, so that's going to be fun. My name is Rome. You're watching the fourth official. But first, again, thank you guys for joining in. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. Now we'll be previewing this game today and talking about the team that we have selected, or I have selected for which Paul Hall has a selection of players to choose from. And I chose this 11 because I think it's going to be the best team to move forward with a team that's defensive enough, compact enough to maintain the ball and move forward on the counter attack and get 1 or 2 goals. So we're going to talk about that as well. All right, so press conference this morning, and he's talking the good talk. He's answering the questions correctly, talking about stuff that, his experiences with the team, the expectation of, him, himself, the success of the team is important to him. I know he's not trying to pressure or put too much pressure on the team's performance, to make it to the World Cup. We know that we could have had better results in the past. I know we're looking forward to the future and what we can do with this team and what the effects that we can have on this team. Now, I, for one, likes the idea that he doesn't want to pressure the team. No one wants that. We don't want, the entire country be piling pressures on this team. However, we know that there's an outside chance that we can make the World Cup. Now, will he be the one to take that pressure off the team and play them on the field with the expectation that you'll go out there and you'll play and represent the country the best way you can, represent that country, represent your heritage? That's the way we want to see the football play. And I'm looking forward to it tomorrow. I'm not gonna lie. I'm looking forward to see how this team sets up and how this team plays. Now, we all know these guys are ballers. We all know these guys, whether they're born in Jamaica or born in the UK, they're ballers, which means that when you put them out on the field to play a particular game, to give them a task, they should be able to do so and do so effectively, right? So I would think that when you set up a team this coming, this tomorrow evening, tomorrow night to be exact, you want to set up the team in a way where you know that you give them the task to do specific tasks, and they should be doing that with complete ease, right? Wing back should be going forward and pushing back at the same time. The winger should be going in to help with the striker or saying why to square balls in. The midfielder should be controlling the game, playing that diamond, a diamond that here that shows you when one person that stands, one person that's saying the number 10, and then the one that connects with the number 10 and the defensive midfielder. We know that that's going to happen. We know that each team, anywhere you go, has a set of system, a set of players, a set of players in the team that can set up the game with the team, right? And you look forward to seeing that in the game next tomorrow. I just want to see if there's connectivity within the midfield and the forward. I'm not wanting to see any more balls from the defenders or the goalkeepers going above the midfield into Mikel Antonio and hoping for the best. I'm looking to see the ball moving through the midfield and from the midfield to the striking team, either to the flanks through Mikel Antonio, who goes to the flanks, whichever way you want to. We used to see some connectivity, some football. We won't see it perfectly at all times, but we do need to see that football flowing in. I'm of the belief that if we win tomorrow, then we have a very good chance of moving forward, right? However, we need to know that the team that we've selected so far is well indebted, well ready to play for the country. I'm going to set up a team for you guys, right? I'm going to share my screen with you guys so that you can see what exactly I am showing you right now. Now, for me, it's really simple, right? When you look at the starting lineup, We're going to start with Andre Blake. Now, of course, Andre Blake obviously is the best goalkeeper in the island, best goalkeeper in the MLS, many may say so. Yeah, that's that's given. That's without a doubt. No, he's going to be a captain for the team as well. So kudos to Andre Blake. He's going to be probably the best goalkeeper in CONCACAF, but I digress. Now, Kemar Lawrence. So Kemar Lawrence will be the left back for me, and it's because he has the experience at this level. Now we do know that I'm still in doubt with him right now, but I do give him the benefit of the doubt because of his performances in previous games, in very important games. So let's see how he holds on. So let's see about Kemar and the two centre halves. I chose Liam Moore and Ethan Pinnock. Now I chose them for two reasons. One, their experiences in the Premier League and the Championship, right? That's the biggest thing for me, right? Their experiences in tough challenges, their experiences in keeping them composure, and the other reason why I chose these guys more than anything else was because head of state, right? Head of state, while he has the speed for days, he's very much in making the right tackles at the right time. Now, granted, he hasn't caused any penalties in the previous games. However, he's making stupid fouls, stupid parts of the games. And we don't need that tomorrow. We don't need a head of state to be coming and bulldozing people at the edge of the box or wherever. We need him to be calm and collected. And I do feel like this two centre halves, Liam Moore and Ethan Pinnock, could give you that controlled defensive command in the game. I'm looking forward to the other games to see if LSC can play in the next game. But I do think that these two, Liam Moore and Ethan Pinnock, can hold the centre half position this week. So we'll see. And then Javian Brown at right back. Now Avas Powell, we know is good, but it's just Javian Brown was very good in the last game. I do feel like he's coming to his own. I think he's going to be a very good prospect. So I do think we should give him a start tomorrow. Hold his own and see what happens. But I don't think Avas Powell should be in the team, but he is. So in the midfield now, Haka is not in the team. Thank you, Jesus. Haka is not in the team. He should not be a part of the team, right? And I when I saw the game at friendly game, and I saw him in the team, I figured, all right, give him a game. He's playing with the young boys, trying to pick the team. Okay, he was in this team because I do think Paul Hall knows what he's doing. Okay, now I was one who was begging for Paul Hall from the day one, saying, listen, get rid of Tapper, get Paul Hall in, manage the team. And he decided not to pick Packer, and for every game moving forward, he will not pick Packer because that man is no good, no frigging good. Okay, the man walking on the field with a burger belly, brother, right? The man will walk in with a beer belly. So the midfield should be Devon Williams, Daniel Johnson, and then Kevin Stewart. Now we know that they said Kevin Stewart wasn't in the team, wasn't in Jamaica this morning. He's probably in Jamaica now, training in the afternoon session. We know that he's a set midfielder in the position that Kevin Stewart is. We know that Devon Williams is a number 8. We know that Daniel Johnson is a number 10. We know that the other midfielders are definitely not the defensive midfielders that we need. Kevin Stewart can hold that position. We know that Anthony Grant wasn't in the team, so we can't put him in the team. And because he's not playing for his club, can't be played for the national team. Simple maths. So I do think that Kevin Stewart can hold that midfielder role and have Daniel Johnson play in the number 10 position and have Devon Williams play in that number 8 position where you're moving from back to front and back again, connecting the midfield. So I think that would be great for the team. Junior Fleming, I put him in there. It's not because of his new move to to France, but because of the fact that he's going to be agile, he's going to be quick, and he's going to be moving around that defensive that that right back, and that is good because he's going to be keeping that player on the wing occupied, right? Which going to leave a space in between Mikel Antonio and the defenders to work with. So I'm hoping that he can hold his own and is cutting or even making crosses. So I'm looking forward to it. I know that Corey Burke is not a Corey Burke is a striker. I know Javon East is a striker, whoever it was, but he he's a winger per se, and with Leon Bailey out and other guys not in, I think he's the best player to put there. I think Bobby Reed is on the right side as well. He's going to be the winger that's going to be able to go down the flank, play crosses in, cut inside if he have to. I do think that he's going to have a role to play on the right hand side with dangerous play coming down from Lozano. So I'm looking forward to that as well. Looking forward to seeing him creating more. And then the last thing is, of course, Mikel Antonio. We know how Mikel Antonio is. We know he's a goal scorer. He has scored 2 goals in the last 3 games. So I'm looking forward to see him picking up the chances, whether it's in the box, connecting in the midfield, pushing forward the team, just leading the team as best as he can. So yeah, that much is what I'm looking forward to. To be honest, it's not very. We don't have a lot in terms of expectations when it comes to the team tomorrow. We're gonna win, and then we're gonna watch the scores of the other games, and then play for the next game again. Just play and play and play, play and play. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been your boy Rome. Thank you for watching the preview. Bless up yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Manaz.